Hi everybody. I wanted to do a comparison video on a couple of cameras. I have my Osmo Pocket 3 that I got yesterday with the Creator combo, and I was curious to see how it compares to the GoPro Hero 12 Black that I've been using most of the time. And to test, gimbal, I do have my Crane M2 gimbal that I use on the Hero 12. So I'm going to go through and do some video and then some photos, and then I'll come back and finish out. Okay, so right now I am using the GoPro Hero 12 Black. Today the sound is just going to be sounds coming straight from the cameras, and see how the audio straight from the cameras sound, compare that to each other. Both these cameras will be in 4K 30 frames per second. So now you're seeing the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 sound coming directly from the camera. I'll be taking it outside, doing some outside video and some photos and compare them. Like I said, both cameras are identical settings. Everything's on auto, 4K, 30 frames per second, and exposure compensation set to 0. And I'm holding them both about the same distance from myself. So later I'll also, when I'm outside, try the wide angle lens on this camera. Okay, so now we're outside here on the porch. We're going to take a little walk around the yard. The time is about 4 o'clock, so the sun's about that angle in the sky. See how the cameras handle different lighting situations. So let's turn the camera around here and go for a little walk and step down here and see how steady this gimbal is. So this is the GoPro Hero 12 Black on the Crane M2 gimbal, and we're kind of pointing into the sun now. Walk around here a little bit, different lightings, kind of make a little jog back and forth there and see how these operate. The ground's kind of rough, so maybe some shakiness in the video here the way I'm walking, and I'll try to mimic as best I can with the other camera. So let's find something to take a picture of. We'll just take a picture right out here. I'll stop the video, take a few snapshots, and go from there. So now we're on the Osmo Pocket 3 DJI. So we're going to try to mimic what we did a while ago with the Hero 12. I've got the camera about an arm's length away. So turn around here and take our little walk again. Look around a little bit. And I'll say that taking the pictures with the gimbal on the GoPro was a little more difficult, because on the it was hard to fight the motor and get a picture on the gimbal because of the position of the camera on the gimbal. So go back here, stand in the same spot and get some pictures here. And I'm sure you can hear all the noise coming around from different directions. Motorcycles, there's a saw back there. So now we will try the photo on this one. I've never taken pictures with this camera. So there you go. There's the pictures, the video, the sound from the cameras. I just wanted to test them out, see what they're like. Uh, I couldn't make up my mind which I like best, and I don't want to influence anybody else. So please give me your opinion on which camera sounded best, which had the best video, and which took the best pictures. Now, for the GoPro pictures, I did have to crop those because those were actually square. So I wanted to crop them and make them look, you know, same size and everything as the ones from the Pocket 3. So let me know what you think. I did think the Hero or the Pocket 3 was a little bit brighter, you know, in exposure. So, like everybody says, probably best to knock that down, the exposure compensation down to -3. I think it would probably equal out more with the GoPro. So, let me know what you think, and thanks for watching. Have a good one. Bye, y'all.